This is exciting. A package just arrived in the mail, and it is my Grubs Boots. Now, these are made in the UK. This is a family, 8 generations of making footwear, okay? So this company's been in business a long time. www.grubsboots.com, or you can also find them at grubsbootsusa.com. I'm going to make sure to put the link in the description section right underneath the video. So these boots are good to minus 20 C, minus 10, that's minus 10 Fahrenheit. That's really cold. Doesn't get that cold around here. These are called the Frostline 5.0, and well, size 11. Let's see if they fit. We're going to try them on, and I think they're beautiful boots, man. These are really skookum boots, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about these boots first, okay? So you can see, you can actually check out their website and see some of the different designs they have, because there's new designs as well. So these are the Grubs Frostline 5.0. They're a high boot featuring the track sole with Hex-Zorb shock absorbing technology. The sole has small lugs front and rear to provide good push-off grip and prominent heel for braking grip, right? So these are not cheap boots. The Frostline boot is an ideal choice for both work and leisure activities constructed with Grubs. 8 generations of footwear. So the different styles they have are farm and ranch. They have hunting, boots for cold weather, horse and stable, lawn and garden, and also work and safety. So let's just check out these boots here. These are not your normal rubber boots. Look at the grip on these babies. Oh, man, these are just awesome. I thank you guys at Grubs for sending me these boots. And I look forward to your comments in the comment section below. And like I say, do not forget to check out the information section right below this video, because that's where the links are going to be provided, so you can check this company out and check out what they have to offer. So there's 2 boots in here. Put that one there. And, wow, you can tell they're well made. And like I say, they're made in the UK. And you know what? Nowadays, you don't see a lot of things coming from the UK. A lot of stuff is made in China. And, oh, these are going to be nice. Let's try them on. Oh, man. Are those ever nice? Those, you know what? They're comfy. They're super comfy. Let me pull this out of here. No editing here, man. Raw footage. Wow, look at that. So this is rubber down here, and this part up here is like a nylon. And like I say, I'm size 11. Oh, these are the nicest boots I have ever owned. So these are called the Frostline, and you can check these out on their website, all right? I'm very happy with those. Thank you very much, folks at Grubs. And I hope my viewers get some of these boots too, because most of my viewers are gardeners, and on those rainy days, or if you have muck in your garden, you're going to need a pair of these so you don't slip around. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Check out more videos here, and also check out Grubs Boots online. Remember, the link is going to be in the description right below this video. Thank you very much, folks. Cheers.